Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the world of operators in Python. Specifically, we will explore arithmetic operators for adding and subtracting as well as comparison operators. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about arithmetic operators. These are the symbols used to perform basic mathematical operations in Python. So, the addition symbol or the plus symbol is used to add two numbers together, while the subtraction symbol, the minus operator, is used to subtract one number from another. Let us first declare an integer value to the variables x and y. So let's go for variable name x equals to 5, then y to 3. For addition, just type in your desired variable name and add the plus sign in between the integers. So let's type in our variable name as addition equals to x plus y, and then print this out using the print value variable name addition. Same with subtraction, type in the variable name and add the minus sign in between the integers. So variable name subtraction equals x minus y, and then print function variable name subtraction. Let's print it out so we would know if the result is correct. As you can see in the terminal, the result displayed 8 and 2, which is respectively 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and then 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So therefore, we conclude that the result is correct. Now let's talk about comparison operators. These are used to compare values and return either true or false. The greater than operator is used to check if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Let's test it out with our integer value x and y. So type in our variable name operator equal to x greater than y, then print the function operator, and then hit on run. As you can see here, the output is true because 5 is greater than 3. Now, the less than operator is the opposite of the greater than. It is used to check if the left operand is less than the right operand. Let's try it out also just by changing the greater than sign into the less than sign. And then click on run. As you can see, the output is false because 5 is not less than 3. But if we change it to a lower number, perhaps 5 to 1, the output should be true. So let's try to run it. And just like that, because 1 is less than 3. Let's head on to the equal operator. Now the equal operator checks if the value of x is equal to the value of y. As the name suggests, this checks if the value is equal or not. Also, one thing to note in here, we should use double equal sign instead of just one, so that there will be no error in your program since you cannot use one equal sign only. Let's test it out using this code block. Hit on run. This resulted to false value because we all know that 1 is not equal to 3. However, if you change the value of x, number 3, and hit on run again, the value would be true because x now is equal to y, since 3 is equal to 3. Easy as that. And there you have it, a brief overview of arithmetic and comparison operators in Python. These are essential tools for performing calculations and making decisions in your Python program that you will need in the future. If you find this video helpful, click the subscribe button and notification bell to be updated in my future Python tutorial. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you on the next one.